Today we are looking at a Crippen high-capacity aspirator. This is a model TV-272-LH for left hand. This unit was manufactured in 1985. It is in exceptional shape. Pause the video here for pertinent data on the serial tag. This unit has a pre and post aspiration suction. What I mean by that is the product you're aspirating is aspirated there, then it is conveyed and then aspirated again. This unit is on a very nice stand. I would say it's approximately 48 inches in elevation. So approximately 48 inches from here to here. This unit is missing the motor, but that can be set up for single phase or three-phase operation, depending on the needs of the customer. This unit can also be purchased as is in this current state we received it in. This machine is fresh off the truck. Several components here. This unit is 72 inches wide. Very nice all-around unit. Just trying to give you a best overview that we can here today. As the machine is elevated, it's a little bit hard to see inside the hopper and whatnot, but the unit does not show a lot of use. I believe this unit would really go to work with minimal tune-up required. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders. For aspirators of all shapes and sizes, please contact us. We have the world's largest inventory of new and used equipment. For all other things, seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research related, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching.